Okay, so now we are ready for lemon peel stitch. Okay, and when you first come to the lemon peel stitch in your blanket, you will be doing it in the damson colour, but today I'm going to show you how to make it in the claret colour. Okay, so are we ready? So here's my sample from earlier. So let's join our yarn. Now we're going to start the lemon peel stitch with a double crochet stitch. So we chain one, which doesn't count as a stitch. And we're going to work a double crochet stitch into the first stitch. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. And the next stitch we're going to work as a triple stitch. So yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, and then the next stitch we're going to work as a double crochet stitch. And the next stitch a triple stitch. So we're going to repeat this step. So triple crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, all the way to the end of the row. Okay, so I'm now on a double crochet stitch. Double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, okay, so I'm on my last stitch of my row, and on my last stitch it's going to finish with a double crochet, with a triple crochet stitch, sorry. So because it's finished with a triple crochet stitch, when I'm going to move on to row 2, I want to start with a double crochet stitch. So that means I'm going to chain 1. You always chain 1 on a double crochet row, which doesn't count as a stitch. So I'm going to work a double crochet on top of the triple crochet stitch from the row below. There we go. And then the next stitch from the row below is a double crochet stitch. And so with the lemon peel stitch, you always work a triple stitch into the top of a double crochet stitch. And then the next stitch, you can see here, because it's slightly taller than the stitch next to it, is a triple crochet stitch. So I'm going to work a double crochet stitch into the triple crochet stitch. And you just repeat that until the end of the row. So the main thing is with this stitch is working double crochet stitches onto triple crochet stitches and triple crochet stitches on top of the double crochet stitches until you get to the end of the row. So if you finish your row with a triple crochet stitch, you're always going to start with the lemon peel stitch, your next row with a double crochet stitch, which means you will chain 1 as a turning chain. But if you finish the row on a double crochet stitch, you're going to start the next row with a triple crochet stitch, which means that you will chain 2 as your starting chain. And you basically repeat this process until you finish your lemon peel stitch rows.